This is Global Investment Watch, and my name is John Richardson. Welcome. The UK-based banking group, familiarly known as Standard Chartered, operates primarily in Asia, where it has been active for more than 150 years, and has made forays into the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America as well. Overall, it has more than 1,400 offices in about 55 countries. Standard Chartered offers a range of consumer banking services, international trade, credit, and custody services, and capital market services for its corporate clients. From a sustainability perspective, the company has a commendable record. Standard Chartered has a comprehensive sustainability and social responsibility plan in place. Their building a sustainable business strategy includes sustainable lending, tackling financial crime, providing access to financial services, responsible selling and marketing, and protecting the environment. It's also considered a great place to work by its employees, and it has shown a commitment to community investment. The company also has an established human rights policy that recognizes that they have a direct responsibility for the impact of their activities as employees, on their employees, as suppliers, customers, and the communities in which they operate. They claim to work to protect human rights in their own operations through internal policies and procedures, and to ensure that human rights are taken into account in procurement and lending decisions. Standard Chartered has a commitment to the following voluntary agreements: the Carbon Disclosure Project, the Equator Principles, the UN Global Compact, and the UNEP Finance Initiative. The company has posted its code of conduct on its website, and included in that code is identifying its commitment to a freedom of association and collective bargaining, elimination of forced and compulsory labor, elimination of discrimination in respect of employment and occupation, and abolition of child labor. Standard Chartered operates around the world. Several countries worth noting, however, are Afghanistan, China, Colombia, and Zimbabwe, all of which are on the AFL-CIO country watch list. These are countries that are either lacking labor legislation that recognizes fundamental worker rights, or have labor legislation but it is not enforced. This gives us concern when we see a company operating in those parts of the world, raising questions about their internal practices with regard to their workforce. The company's workers, however, are represented by the Union Network International, a global union organization. In line with its specialization in emerging markets, Standard Chartered opened up branches in Afghanistan and assisted in the creation of the Trade Bank of Iraq. Other growth markets for the company include China, India, Indonesia, Korea, Pakistan, Taiwan, and various countries in Africa. In August of 2007, Standard Chartered bought a 49% stake of UTI Securities, an Indian brokerage firm, for $36 million in cash, purchasing it from the Securities Trading Corporation of India, with an option to raise its stake to 75% this year, and if both partners agree, taking 100% stake in the company in 2010. In another example of the country's entry into fast-growing markets, in 2006, Standard Chartered replaced the logo on Pakistan's privately owned bank, completing its transformation to Standard Chartered Pakistan. For Standard Chartered, the $500 million deal actually reached in September of 2006 involved buying the highly profitable 53-branch Union Bank, whose after-tax profit rose to $35 million that year, up almost 110% from the year before. Standard Chartered, as with the entire banking sector, has been impacted by the U.S. subprime mortgage lending crisis. They are highly diversified, however, and have a comprehensive and progressive approach to corporate social responsibility. Though we've been concerned with the bank's financing of a problematic copper mine in New Guinea, overall, our assessment is that this company is an acceptable investment for socially responsible investors. This is Global Investment Watch, and my name is John Richardson. Thank you for watching.